How to attach files and photos in Hotmail. So let's see in this video. Before moving forward, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more updates from us. So let's begin. The first step is you need to open your browser in your computer. After that, from over there you need to open up Hotmail and log into your account. After logging in, you'll be able to see the home page of Hotmail or Outlook like this. So in order to attach files and folders, first you need to create a new mail. For that, you need to click on new mail option in the left hand side. After creating, you'll be able to see the text boxes over here. So in this text box, you need to enter the Hotmail address of the person to whom you want to send, and here you need to enter a subject, and here will be your body of the mail. So in order to attach the files and folders, you have to click on attachment sign over here in the right upper section. From over here you can attach files or folders that you want. For that, you can simply click on drop down sign next to it, and you'll be able to see here is many options like browse this computer, OneDrive, upload and share. If you want to upload from your PC or computer, then you can go for this option. If you want to upload from OneDrive, then you can go from over here. And if you want to upload attachments and files from your file or folder, then you can go for upload and share option. And from over here you'll be able to see the files and folders of your PC. You can select any of the file that you want to upload, and after selecting the file you can go for open option, and by doing that it will be available over here in the body of the mail that you want to send. And after preparing, you can go for send option over here. So by following this simple step, you can attach files and photos in Hotmail. So hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel for more updates from us. Thanks for watching.